Hey guys, Brian here from Computer Cable Store, and I'm back with a quick video to cover a must-have item for anybody with a notebook or ultrabook that is lacking an Ethernet port. The item is a Gigabit USB to Ethernet adapter. While Wi-Fi is amazing for its convenience, sometimes that just won't cut it and you need a wired connection. That's where this item comes into play. We have two variations available on our website, one which uses a standard USB-A connection and one using the newer USB-C connection. Both are compatible with the older USB 2.0 spec, so even if your device doesn't have a USB 3.0 port, you'll still be able to see some fast speeds, though not the full gigabit potential. Installation is a breeze. There's no need to mess with drivers. Hooking them up is simply plug and play on both Mac OS and Windows machines. Now it's time to test out some file transfers. Copying a 4GB Windows 10 ISO from our in-house network share, using the 3.0 port averages around 113 megabytes a second, which is 904 megabit. This is close to the 1024 megabit 1 gigabit cap, but hitting the 1 gigabit cap might not be possible due to overhead. Switching over to USB 2.0, we can't hit gigabit speeds, but you can see we're still way above the 100 megabit connection speeds, averaging around 300 megabytes, which is around 240 megabit. Overall, you'll get some great speeds out of this device no matter which USB port it's being used on. So keep one close by in your laptop bag and never be at the mercy of spotty Wi-Fi again. Thanks for watching, everyone. Give us the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Sound off in the comments if there are any tools or gadgets that are a must to keep in your laptop bag.